picture it is India as a superpower. There is no predefined rules or benchmark which has been set for any country to be called a superpower. A country which has the ability to project its power through all over the world, that country can be called as superpower. So there is some type of some terms given for a country to be called as superpowers, and those terms are economy, technology, military, diplomatic, and even soft power. Now, talking about the history of superpower countries, USA and USSR were the only two superpower countries till 1991. In 1991, USSR or the Soviet Union was separated, and then only the USA was the superpower country in the whole world, and USA is having far more qualities to be called as superpower. It has best economy, best military, technology to be called as a superpower, and there is no doubt that for the next 1 to 2 decades, USA will still be called as a superpower. Now, talking about the other countries which has the capability to be called as a superpower, the number one contender is China. China has seen a massive economic growth in the last 40 decades. That is because of their large skilled population and in the earlier times the cheap labor. Now, as the China has started developing, now China has also become a manufacturing hub, has been emerged as a manufacturing hub, and now it has its influence in the Africa, Asia, Europe, through all over the world, and around 1/3 of the products are export to the other countries which are manufactured by China. And according to some experts, it is estimated that in 2030s China will surpass USA. And there are some other countries like Japan, Mexico, and India which has the quality, which has the potential to become a superpower country. Now, talking about India as a superpower, India is a populous country, the second number most populous country in the whole world, and India has a demographic dividend, that is the median age of Indian youth is 29 years, which can turn the tables around and can help India to be at the number one or the superpower country of the world. India is expected to grow 5% of GDP every year, and this could help India to grow its economy at the faster rate. And India was at the fifth position in terms of GDP, but still the 50% of the Indian population is dependent on agriculture, and to become a superpower, India has to overcome a lot of challenges like high inequality, economic high inequality, then corruption, religious issue, law enforcement, infrastructure, and many more. Although India is having a stronger military similar to China, and India has increased its budget in the last few decades, and the reputation of the India has also been changed in the last decade, so that is a plus sign for India. And talking about after the COVID-19, as the countries started taking out their companies from the China, so now it is a chance for India to seize that opportunity and pull those companies in India to become a more well economic country, and can get more good infrastructure and can get more good infrastructure with that. In the end, I would like to say that India has a very strong potential of becoming a superpower. Only the youth have to contribute in the economy of the country, because 29 years is the only age of a median age of our youth, and that could help our India to grow immensely. And also, as the government has taken a very strong initiative of Atmanirbhar Abhiyan, so that could also help India to become a manufacturing hub just like the other countries, that is China and Mexico, and that could help India to increase its economy, GDP, and can help India to become a superpower. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone and respected YouTube sir. Today the topic for create India as a superpower. The term superpower was first applied past World War II to the United Nations and Soviet Union. For the duration of the Cold War, the United Nations and Soviet Union came to be generally regarded as the two superpowers dominating the world affairs. Superpower is a nation or a state that has mastered in the 7 dimensions of the state, which are geography, economy, military, resources, national identification, and population and diplomacy. Now, India as an economic superpower. The economy of India is world's seventh largest economy by nominal GDP, and third largest by purchasing power parity. India as a population superpower. India is the second largest populated country with nearly 1/5 of the world's total population, and by 2030 the dependency ratio should be 0.4. This provides the nation a large workforce in helping in its growth. Now, superpower in geography. India lies the cultural region of the Indian Ocean zone with unprecedented potential for growth, and many trade of Afro-Asian which passes through the territorial of Indian water. Now, geography in natural resources. Superpower in natural resources. First is tourism. India is a historic place, and about 3.9 million tourists travel to India per year. And in any energy, India has 25% of world's thorium resources and solar resources also. Now, superpower in military. The Indian military is the second largest active duty military after China, and Indian military played a huge role in the liberation of Bangladesh in 1971. Now, factor against the rise of India as a superpower. The first is political obstacle. India is still not a permanent member of UNSC because lack of international representation. The second is dispute. India's growth is impeded by dispute with its neighboring countries like Pakistan and China. Now, economic obstacle. First is unemployment, and the second is poverty. As of 2011, approximately 21.9% of people India's population lived under the below line, and Indian government has been quite successful in reducing the share of its poverty. And the third is infrastructure. Basic infrastructure in India such as roads, power grids, water communication, and education are often below standard. Now, social issues. The first is illiteracy. The literacy rate of India is 74.4% according to the 2011 literacy rate. And the second is health. The health condition of India dismal with disease and malnutrition, and affecting continuously poorest area. Now comes to the conclusion. These are the most important issues where India needs to work heavily if it wants to become a superpower. Thank you. Jai Hind.